What is a notice to consumer? Hi, I'm Frank Nunes. I'm a California personal injury trial attorney practicing in the state of California. I get phone calls all the time from people who are not parties to a lawsuit asking me, I received this notice of consumer paperwork in the mail. What does it mean and what do I have to do? Let me explain. In California, you have a constitutional right to privacy of your information. If somebody in a lawsuit that you're not a party to is asking for something that's confidential or protected, they have to give you notice of their intent to get that information. That's why you're receiving the notice of intent to consumer. When they say consumer, because a lot of times it involves bank records or financial accounts or things like hotel reservations, prior transactions. You were a consumer in that situation and not a party to the case, and now somebody wants to get your private information. What does it do? It gives you, as a non-party, as strictly John Q. Public, Joan Q. Public, the opportunity to object to the subpoena and stop those records from being released to protect your privacy rights. After all, you're not a party to the dispute. Why do you want to give up your privacy rights? Sometimes you get the notice of consumer directly from the photocopy company. Again, it has the same force and effect as if it's mailed directly to you by the attorney. It's an opportunity to look over the subpoena, determine if you want those records produced, and if not, you simply check a box saying, don't produce the records. That's given back to the copy service, and the subpoena doesn't go any farther from there. Well, that's it for today's video describing what a notice to consumer is. By the way, if you found this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why? So you can continue to get great new information every time we post another great educational video. And if you have questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me, since I can answer your questions. You can reach me at 559-436-0850. I'm Frank Nunes, and thanks for watching.